Okay, so everybody, number one, all right? We're going to make the rond de jambe à terre, rond, like the word rond, round, circle, right? Jambe is your leg, à terre is on the floor. So what you're going to do, first of all, you're on your leg, make sure you're all doing that now. Don't start hanging on the bar, especially as you get tired, right? You have to work for strength, don't give in. So this is to the front, this is to the side, this is to the back, and let's just check and see, push off your heel. And brush it through it again. So your toe is actually guiding your leg, right? Where you point your foot, your leg went. So you don't need to think about moving your leg, but where are you pointing your foot? To the front and to the side, to your second position, to the back, right? Then let's close in first, and then let's make, changing the timing, a very quick grip, pull, push, relevé, and then slowly down. And then we'll do it the other way. So when we make the circle from the front to the back, this is the rond de jambe. We say outside or en dehors. Okay? And then we're going to reverse the circle from the back to the front. This is the inside, en dedans. All right? But the most important, don't be so vain and think about, that's your preening. That's what so many dancers do. This is why they never get any better. Because they're not on their leg. Your strength is on your leg. You're either going to stand up or fall down. So this is the most important, that you're working for your supporting side. And as the more this solidifies, the more that leg can be displayed better and you turn out. All right? So you're working for your balance, pushing down. Okay, let's have the music. Now everybody, you're on your leg. And wait, 3. Now you're going to slide to the front, slowly, side, slowly. So go slower, Byron, with the music. Gliding, 1. I don't want you to stop. Push. You're always in motion. The music is played slowly. Now in first, this is quick. Grip, pull, okay, push. You're up. Down. You keep your hands on the bar, Shannon. Now other leg. Now slowly. Now I want you to move slowly. So you're working your turnout. 3, 4. Everybody on your leg. Slowly. You can breathe out. Shoulder down. Right. Ears back. You want to think about turning out, but don't force it. Up. Okay. And grip, pull, push, hips. Always hip, number one. Okay, now you're going to reverse it. This is the rond de jambe, en dedans. Back. Stay on your leg. You can use the bar by pushing down. That's good. Shoulders, over the toe. Right. Out. So always one leg. Slowly. Right. Now keep your hips, toes, grip, push. Okay. Down. And the other leg. Back slowly. Slow motion. Right. I don't want you to stop. Slowly. That's what dancing is. Dancing is movement. And slowly. Again. 1, 2, 3, okay, and a plié, push. Okay, now you can relax this page. Just drop all the way down. Relax. It's over. Rest. Okay, good.